Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're trying the 4 top ranked Dior lip products. So I have these 4 that we'll be trying today. This is the Addict Lip Glow, the Dior Addict Lip Scrub, the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer, and Dior Addict Lip Oil. So if you've wanted to buy something from Dior and you're not really sure what you want to get, I'll be trying on all 4 so we can kind of see what they look like and compare so that you can pick which one you want. If you don't know me, I'm Kristen Van Nest. I'm a nonfiction author. I live in LA and I'm surrounded by LA cool girls, models, fashionistas, influencers, and so they're always telling me all these cool fashion and beauty trends, and I'm trying to learn myself. I used to actually work in the beauty industry, have a glow up. That's my goal for this year. So I started this channel to learn about new products and new kind of things that I can use to make myself look better. And if that interests you, definitely follow along and let's go. So I'm gonna try the products in the order that you would actually apply them. So like from most moisturizing to most vain, just trying to look good, not looking for added lip care. So that means for these 4, I'm gonna start with the scrub, then the balm, then the oil, then the maximizer. And in between, I'll wash them off so you can see. And as I mentioned, I used to work in the beauty industry as a content marketing manager, helping them with their web marketing. And from that experience, I learned that I really don't trust the beauty industry. You know, I was a Fulbright scholar before, and whenever you make a claim, it needs to be backed by research. That's usually hundreds of people in a study. With the beauty industry, they consider a study around 20 people, which is really not enough to get data. So I'm very skeptical of everything. And I also know from working in marketing and beauty that influencers are one of the highest ROIs, return on investment, which means that a lot of what influencers are saying isn't accurate or true. So I'm very skeptical when I buy beauty products because I know that a lot of them really don't fully do what they're claiming. When I buy beauty products, the thing that I focus on the most is customer reviews. So when I picked out these 4 products that we're trying today, they are each $40 on the website, and they are the top 4 ranked products on the website. Anything that had a bad review, I was like, nope, or like a mediocre review, These are the top 4 within the $40 price range. So the first product is the Backstage Pros Self-Vanishing Sweet Exfoliating Lip Balm. The texture looks like, almost like the skin here, right? It has the vanilla and mint, so it's like a peppermint, rosy baby powder smell. Very delicate. Let's try it. Definitely feels texturized. Peppermint is actually known to draw blood to the lips, so it naturally makes them red. It does have that light tingle to it, and it's really pretty. It feels like I put lip balm on. I'm a fan. Okay. This is a good start. I'm gonna remove them in between. Next, we have the Addict Lip Glow Balm in Dior 8. It's 97% natural ingredients. Here's what it looks like. Matches the scrub really cute. This is Dior 08 color. I'm smelling that peppermint again. And it looks really nice. I actually really like this one. Wear it by itself, or you can put it underneath another product. The moisture lasts 24 hours. Some of the active ingredients include cherry oil, shea butter, and sunflower waxes. Wax is actually better at containing moisture in the lips. So next, the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. All of these thus far have been 4.5 stars or up. This one has over 5,000 reviews, which means it's a hero product. As in, it's a product, sells en masse, kind of puts them on the map. Sometimes it can be overhyped. I got it in Poppy Coral. It's actually larger. This says nothing about all natural ingredients. Instantly peppermint again. This looks very similar to Dior Addict Lip Glow Balm because it's coral I see a little bit more orange, but the color is very similar. The lip balm has a stronger color than this does. This is very much more a gloss. And again, the really strong peppermint. This one isn't all natural, so in my book, it gets a little docked for that. On to the next product. And now we have the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer gloss in Intense Brick. This has over 2,000 reviews. If you look at the size, it's a little bit skinnier. Looking at the product description for this, it's not 97% natural, it's 90% natural. It also has 24-hour moisture, just like the lip balm mentioned on any of the other pages. It has hyaluronic acid for helping your skin retain liquid, plump a little bit. This one doesn't seem to be pH based, unlike some of the other ones. And I didn't realize this, peppermint just means vanilla and mint. Wow, okay, so this one definitely has the most pigment. It's very glossy. When I wear this much pigment, I smudge it all over my face. Take all the attention from any other makeup or look you have going on. Definitely has that peppermint. It's time to rank sugar scrub, lip balm, lip oil, and lip maximizer. What order would I put these in, favorite to least favorite? My favorite is actually the balm. I like that it's 97% natural ingredients, which is very rare in the beauty industry. My second choice would be the lip oil. Less color, but it's still really pretty. My third choice would be the scrub. It's just really good for a natural look. And then my last choice, I'm kind of surprised, would be the lip maximizer. According to the product page, is really their product that like has it all. 90% natural. It has cherry oil, one of the active ingredients in the other ones. It's lip plumping. It's growing on me, but it still really is a lot of color for what I normally use. It just feels like a very intense look, while I kind of like a little more natural, and I think these the right level of color that I would want. So you might be asking yourself, why did you buy 4 $40 Dior lip products? That's kind of weird. And the answer is because I wanted to get this little free bag that comes with it. I'm gonna try and turn this into a little night clutch, and I got a chain that I'm gonna put on it. It's 5 inches across. It's a card case. I'm gonna get a chain. If you want me to make a video of that, definitely let me know. Thank you for watching this video with me. I would love to know which you think is best. Here's a back-to-back look of all of the different colors on my lips lined up. I'll put links in the bio so that if you like the colors or want to buy the products, you can find them there. Thank you again. As I learn how to glow up this year, I'll be making a ton more videos, and if this interests you, definitely follow my channel and I will share more. Let me know if you agree with my rankings or which one you like the best.